Hello, viewers. My name is Alina Petrova. I'm a Russian gray hat hacker. This is my email address. So, today's video tutorial is, how do I check stolen credit card fullz is dead or alive? That's what we will talk about today. Okay, this is my email address. You can contact me at this email address. If you want to know anything related to hacking or carding, you can contact me via email address. Stay with my channel. Guys already know about how to confirm your device. For connecting and browsing dark web, if you don't know, then watch my previous video. Okay, let's talk about today's topic. Here I open a trusted dark web financial vendor, BestCC. I will give you the link in the video description. When you open the BestCC website, you can see their products and services. I've been using their service for more than 4 years. If you want to know more about this vendor, feel free to contact me via email. BestCC has many products, such as Western Union Money Transfer, MoneyGram Money Transfer, PayPal Money Transfer, Visa cards and fullz, MasterCards and fullz, American Express cards and fullz. If you want to learn more about their products and services, feel free to reach out to them by email. Today we are buying a Visa fullz credit card. Today I take stolen credit card information fullz. These are digital cards. They will give you card information digitally if you have knowledge of carding. You can earn money through that digital information. So, without further ado, I will just go buy the product. I am going to buy the Visa credit card fullz today for $119. In that case, I will click on the Pay with Bitcoin button. After clicking on the Pay with Bitcoin button, a form like this will appear after the form comes. You will enter your email address here, the email address where you want to receive the card information. I am using a random mail address here except for this email. You can see that their payment information is being generated here. What else? This $5,000 balance is the minimum balance guarantee they are offering for this card. To receive this balance, I must pay $199 USD. This amount will be converted into Bitcoin, and I need to send the Bitcoin to their provided address. To complete the transfer, the payment must be made within 30 minutes. I will scan the provided QR code or key from my phone and then make the payment. What else? Until then, stay with me. I'm making the payment from my phone. Now you can see how it works, live. I've just sent this amount of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin has been sent to their address from my phone. Now let's see how long it takes for them to receive the payment. You can see it's processing right now. Yeah, guys, as you can see, they're getting the payment completion message. So I've made the payment, and right after that they will send a follow-up email containing the card information. Once the email is received, I will resume the video and provide further information. We have received another email notification indicating that the message is coming from BestCC and that the Visa card is ready. Let's open the email to review the format in which the information has been provided. The message includes the card details, like card numbers, cardholder name, expiration month and year, and CVC, along with the associated customer information as outlined in the order. By reviewing the information provided, we can identify the country associated with the record. Upon closer inspection, the details indicate that the country is Brazil, along with a corresponding city within Brazil. The information provided is presented as a complete profile associated with the card. The dataset includes extensive personal details, such as an individual's name, date of birth, and residential address, along with additional associated personal information. If the card does not work, I will contact them again for further assistance. I am now purchasing a subscription to verify whether the card is active or inactive. Fast of all, as this is a Brazilian Visa credit card fullz, it is necessary to connect via a Brazilian IP address. Otherwise, the card details may not function as expected. For IP configuration purposes, a free VPN service, specifically Urban VPN, will be used. After connecting to a Brazilian IP address using Urban VPN, we will use Tour.net to verify whether the network is correctly connected through a Brazilian IP address. Now you will see that it shows 90% of our accuracy, but we need to make this 100%. We have identified exactly where the problem is. Look here, according to my IP time, it should be Brazil location. But the system I'm using shows the America time zone because I am physically in America. That's why I need to change my time zone to match my IP location. Then we will get 100% anonymity. When we achieve 100% anonymity, and when that 100% anonymity is in place, then in reality, any payment gateway, even the most secure ones, will be forced to accept it, even if it is stolen credit card information. Many times, it is seen that we don't understand IP configuration. We don't understand the terminal setup. The system is set up one way, the IP is different, and the browser configuration is different. This is why problems occur. We have taken a Brazil IP. Now we will check the system time and system setup. We will now purchase a subscription to an AI website called Photo Room in order to check whether the Visa credit card is active or inactive. This subscription allows access to features such as removing a photo's background, creating a new background, and designing complete compositions with professional image quality. We will now create an account on the Photo Room website using my email address. You can create the account by entering your email address. After creating the account, I will select the annual subscription. No matter what amount is shown, there's nothing to worry about, because we will be making the purchase using a stolen card. We will fill in the payment form using the Visa credit card details that we received from BestCC. Make sure the card information provided, such as the card number, cardholder name, expiration month and year, CVC and region, should be entered exactly as given BestCC. No different or additional details should be used. Then click Start Trail button. Congratulations! Payment successful. As you can see, we purchased Visa credit card details from BestCC and checked whether the Visa credit card was active or inactive. See you next video. Till then, bye-bye.